Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hipshan Abhijit Muri. Today's date is 5th of October 2021 and today's our discussion topic is discussion about the two keywords, that is the this keyword and the second one is the super keyword. So before starting that discussion on that this keyword and a super keyword, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kalam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from G.H. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Wagoli, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Sweris College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. Now we will discuss about today's discussion topic, that is this keyword and a super keyword. So in Java, there is no pointer concept is used, means Java not support the pointer concept, but in C and C++ languages the pointer concept is supported. But in case of the Java, that is the two keywords are there. First one is the this keyword and second one is the super keyword. So in Java, by using that two keywords, explicitly we can't use the pointer concept, but implicitly we can achieve it through that two keywords. That is, first one is the by using this keyword and by using a super keyword. So now firstly we will see first keyword out, that is the this keyword. So this keyword, if we talk about the this keyword, then that this keyword is a this keyword is used for the current class object. It is a reference variable which is used for the current class object. So if we talk about the this keyword, there are mainly 6 uses of that this keyword. This keyword is used to call a current class variable. Then this keyword is used to call current class method. Then third one is the this keyword is used to call current class constructor. Then fourth one is the this keyword is used to give an argument to the current class method. Then fifth one is the this keyword is used to pass an argument to the current class constructor. And last one is the this keyword is used as a return type for the current class method. That's all about the some of the uses of the this keyword. So firstly we will see our first use, that is the this keyword is used to call a current class variable. That's the first use of the this keyword. Suppose now we will see one example of that. Suppose if there is a method in which the argument is passed, that is the int num, but in case of the instance variable we are taken the same name variable as int num, but by using the this dot num is equal to num, then while passing an argument from the main method to that num variable, that is the local variable, if we use that value is in the right side of the num, then this dot num, that value is passed to the instance variable, that is the current class instance variable. That's why by using that this keyword we can achieve the value of that instance variable through by using that this keyword. That's the first use of the this keyword. Now we will see our second use, that is the this keyword is used to invoke or to call a current class method. So if we talk about that, so by using this keyword we can call the current class method by using this keyword. So now we will see one example. If we talk about this, if there are some of the methods, then in that case if we call this dot method name, then we are directly access that current class method by using that this keyword. That's all about the this keyword. So now we will see our next use, that is this keyword is used to call a current class constructor. By using that this we are means if we are using that this keyword to call a constructor or to invoke the constructor, at that time this keyword is used or is called from the other method, but in that case this and then the bracket, and which is placed at the top of the line of code of that method, particular method, to call the current class constructor. It is compulsory to put that this keyword is at the top to call the or to invoke the current class constructor. So that's all about the this keyword is used. That's all about the use of that this keyword to call a current class constructor. So that's all about the that use to call a current class constructor. Then again we will discuss that this keyword is used to call the current class method. If we talk about that method, if suppose there is one display method, to call it we are accessing that method from another method directly by using a display. In a display, that method name, that is the display, but by using this dot display we are also able to access that method. That's the use of that this keyword. So that's the use of that this keyword. So now we will see our next use. This keyword is used to pass as an argument to the current class method. Means if in the case of that parameter, if we pass the this keyword to call a particular method, then it is achieved through that this keyword. Suppose there is one method void test demo, and that method is called by the another method, suppose void display, and in which there is parameter given, that is the test, then that method is called to that this demo method. That's all about the this keyword to used to call as an argument to the current class method. Also same as the like that this keyword is used to pass the argument to the current class constructor. That's all about the this keyword use. Means by using this keyword we are able to call the current class constructor by passing as an argument to another method. Means by using this keyword we can access the current class constructor, and by passing argument that this, then it is also used to call a current class constructor. Means in a parameter of the any method, if you use this keyword, then it is directly access the current class constructor. That's all about the this keyword use. And now we will see our last use of the this keyword. This keyword is used to return the current class instance. That's the last use of that this keyword. Means if any method is there, then suppose void demo method is there, and then suppose any method is there that is int demo, then at that time we can return this at that time. So that is the use of that this keyword. In if you talk about that particular method, at that time no output will be given, but the method will be executed, no error will be come in that case. That's why the this keyword is used as a return for a current class instance. That's all about the uses of that this. So now we will see our second keyword, that is the super keyword. Actually the super keyword is used for the immediate parent class object, and this keyword is used for a current class object. That's the main difference between the this keyword and super keyword. So if we talk about the that super keyword has mainly two uses. That is, the super keyword is used to call any particular method of the parent class. Means super keyword is used where the inheritance concept will become. Means if there is a child and parent relationship is there, then and then only in that case the super keyword will be used. So if you talk about any method, that is now we will see for first use of that super keyword. Super keyword is used to call the current parent class method. That's the first use. Means now we will see by one example. If there are two methods are there, first method is a void display in a parent class, and then in a child class if there is a method that is a void input. Through that we can call that method of that parent class by using super dot display. Then that call goes to that display method, and that method is executed firstly, and then the block of that input method will be executed at last before after executing the block of that display method, which is called by using the super keyword. That's the use of that super keyword. So now we will see our second use of the super keyword. That is, the super keyword is used to call a parent class constructor. Means as I talk now, that this keyword is also used to call a current class constructor. That at like that, super keyword is also used to call a immediate parent class constructor, and it is compulsory or it is a mandatory put that super keyword is at the top of that method which is at a child class through which that constructor is called. That's all about the super keyword which is used to call a current parent class constructor. If we are not using that super keyword, then also firstly the through that method, that parent class method will be accessed, but by using super keyword we also access that parent class constructor. That's all about the super keyword. But if there is no constructor is present in the parent class, by default the value, the compiler gives the value, default values to that constructor. Like for int there is 0 value, for char there is null value, like that values will be given to that default constructor. Or to call, or there is a constructor, or to call that constructor, super keyword is used. That's all about the use of that super keyword. For an interview, there is one question is to be asked, that is what is the difference between super and super bracket. Means if you talk about that super keyword, that is the super is just the keyword, but super there is in front of curly braces, means it is used to call a parent class constructor. That's the main difference between that the two super words. That's all about the this keyword and the super keyword. Thank you.